good morning. It's very late in the night. No, but it is late in the night. We are gonna do something fun tonight. We are with the EP46. The car, as you saw the last time, is lowered on EP Racing coilovers. So, and I drifted one time with this car one night, and it was doing alright. The only problem was that the regular coilovers were too soft, so it was really gripping the car up because it was squatting. So we now have the EP Racing coilovers. Is that Popo? It is not. It is not. Alright. But we have now the EP Racing coilovers, and I'm excited to see how the car drifts. We have 9J wheels under the car, so really wide, 4 of them. So we'll see what happens. Heading to a meeting location with our friends, with another drift cars, a couple of drift cars. We have there 3 BMWs, 2 of them were hot. The other one, I don't know why his hood is open. But we are now gonna do another lap. Achterlicht.
Ja. Het voelde pijnlijk. Wat heb je gedaan?
Oh, dat is heet.
Lekker bezig.
Very nice, very nice.
Zo blij is het niet budget, hè?
Jawel. We rijden gewoon zo rond.
Gewoon niet maken.
Rood tapeje eroverheen plakken en
Jammer.
Ah, je loopt zo.
Hadden we voor nog iets?
Hallo. Ja zeker, we zijn een filmpje aan het maken. But this is our first wall tap, and this is the reason why we built budget drift cars, because you don't care if you hit something. If it was my turbo E36 with white body, yellow, you know, the spoiler, it was gonna be a little bit headache to fix it, because not the same. This is just a tail light, and that's it. But it looks good. It's a clean tap. The bumper is a little bit cut, and I can see a little dent here, and this is a little bit matte as well, but yeah, I don't care. Budget drift car, push your limits.
Push it to the limit.
And now we are gonna do some other streets. Goodbye. Street racers. Goddamn street racers. Goddamn street drifters. Alright, let's go. We have a little bit situation with the so we are waiting out. If he goes away, then we can go do brr, which. If he doesn't go away, then we go away. Who this? Oh, that's Jeroen. Really slippery there where we just drifted, and I was trying to do manji entries to look a little bit cool, because I don't have a hydraulic handbrake, so I can't do crazy shit, and it's really slippery. But I had a couple of laps that looked fun, looked good. Hey, another E46 there. Who are you? I don't know. But the tires are almost done, and the guys wanted to go another spot, so we are now going to a spot which kills tires. We are gonna have a little bit fun there, and that's gonna be the night. But see you on the next spot. Hot in here. I'm sweating. Does the airco work? Well, we do know that it works. Yeah, nice. I have it warm. But the tires are done, but they are just good enough to drive to home, or at least to in my case, swap cars because this car is staying at a friend. The car drifts good. I only have motor management light and it's MAF, mass airflow sensor, mass airflow. And I think that it's running on base map, so I don't have the full horsepower, the whole power, full power that it has. So it's all of clutch kicking and shit like that. But that's alright, we'll fix that. I want to put headers as well on this car because it has still stock headers. And when you are drifting with stock headers with E46s, you are gonna just burn them. So it's better to just get them off and sell them, the catalytic converters with the headers. And then you get like 10 horsepower just by swapping the headers. So that's on the agenda. Fixing the MAF is on the agenda, and maybe a little alignment on the car. And oh yeah, and of course the hydraulic handbrake, and maybe we'll do lock it in the future. So we have still things to do, but we are close. And with this, we are gonna close this episode, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.